AI agents, agentic AI, autonomous AI, AI co-pilots. It seems like every week there's a new AI term being added to the conversation. But are AI agents and agentic AI actually the same thing? Not exactly. In this video, I'll explain the difference in simple terms and why it matters. Part of the confusion comes from the fact that these terms are often used interchangeably. You'll see AI agents, AI co-pilots, intelligent agents, agentic AI, and other labels used in articles, videos, marketing materials, and product announcements. The result is that many people end up thinking these terms mean the same thing when they don't. Let's start with AI agents. An AI agent is simply a system that's designed to perform tasks on behalf of a user. It might conduct research, analyze data, generate content, write code, answer questions, or interact with other systems. The important thing to remember is that an AI agent is the system itself. One way to think about it is to consider an AI agent as a worker. You assign a task, the agent performs work, the agent produces a result. Its primary purpose is execution. Agentic AI is something different. Agentic AI describes how independently an AI system can operate. Can it plan? Can it reason? Can it choose between multiple options? Can it adapt when conditions change? Those are agentic characteristics. Agentic behavior exists on a spectrum. Some systems simply follow instructions. Others can make limited decisions. More advanced systems can create plans, select tools, adjust their approach, and pursue objectives with less human involvement. As autonomy increases, the system becomes more agentic. Here's a practical example. A basic chatbot answers a question and waits for the next prompt. A more agentic system might take a goal, create a plan, conduct research, analyze information, use tools, generate deliverables, and adapt if something changes along the way. Both are AI systems, but one exhibits a much higher degree of agentic behavior. This brings us to the key takeaway. AI agents and agentic AI are not competing concepts. An AI agent is the system. Agentic AI is the degree of autonomy that system possesses. In other words, agentic behavior enhances an AI agent rather than replacing it. As AI technology continues to evolve, we'll likely see agents become increasingly autonomous, capable, and adaptable. The real question isn't whether AI agents or agentic AI will win. The question is how much autonomy we should allow AI systems to have and where humans should remain in control. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more practical insights on AI, coding, cybersecurity, and automation.